Yeah, so pi is equal to 3.14. R squared actually means R times R. So it's the number times itself. So in this case, like how the radius is 4, it's 4 times 4. And of course, we can multiply the whole number first. So it will be 3.14. What's 4 times 4?
4 times 4 is 16.
Yeah, so 16. So all we have to do now is just multiply the 16 by 3.14. And we know what we're doing. We ignore the decimal point, right? So we have 314 times the 16. So we ignore the decimal point at first, and then put back in decimal point. So 6 times 4, 24. 616 plus the 2 would give us 8. And of course, 6 times 3 would give us 18. It's 18. And then now we can multiply by the 10. So put a space holder. Because remember, the value of this is 10, right? Not just 1. So you have to put a space holder to indicate that. So 1, 4, 4. 1 times 1, that's 1. And then 1 times 3, 3. And then we add.
I was the one who taught you Billy Joe.
I'm Jalen. Focus. So we have 0 plus 4, which is 4. 8 plus 4, 12. 2 carry the 1. And of course, 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 1, 10. 0 carry the 1. So guys, you can see that it's a lot of work, right? And then of course, you have 1 plus 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus the 3 gives us 5. But we need to put in the decimal point now, right? How many decimal point we started out with when we were going to multiply? How many decimal places you should have?
Sir, a lot.
Sir, 2.
2.
Sir,
you know
3
2?
decimal places.
Oh, you got 3? Oh, you got 2? Explain.
Sir, because sir, the 1.5, sir, it has 1 decimal point, sir, and the 3.14 is 2.
Yeah,
So
but
2 plus 1
Jeremiah, it's A we're doing, you know.
I know, sir.
Sir, because 2 all numbers are behind the decimal.
2 numbers are behind the decimal point, 1 and the 4. So it's actually 2.
4.
So it would have been 50.24 meters square. It's not E we're doing, Jeremiah, we're doing A. See, the radius is 4. Alright. So that's how it is done, guys. But this is the most important part for us to know this formula. It's different from when you're finding the circumference. What's the formula when finding the circumference? Anybody remember?
Sir, pi radius 2, sir.
Sir, it's
Pi
2 times pi times r radius.
Yeah. 2 times pi times r. So we have to know the difference between, because I've seen high school students mix up the two formulas. They mix up circumference with area. So we cannot afford that, guys, because we don't know if this is what we're going to be tested on the performance task. So these are performance tasks topic: the perimeter, the area, the volume, the total surface area, even percentage they can integrate in it, ratio as well. So everyone have to stay sharp, right?
Excuse me, sir.
Are the students calling me what I should be on class? I don't understand that.
Excuse me, sir.
All right. So make a note of that one, guys. You see, it's a lot of work, right? Go ahead, Jonathan.
Sir, how did you get 4 times 4, sir?
All right. Very good
Because
question.
I'm just wondering.
Yeah. Very good. So R, what's the radius?
4 centimeters, sir.
All right. So it's 4 squared. What does 4 squared actually mean? So 4 squared.
4 times 4, sir.
Yeah. So you answer your own question.
Oh, it gives you 60.
Yeah. So it's the radius times the radius. So 4 times 4 would give us the 16. So all I did was multiply the 4 by 4 first to give us the 16, and then we times it by the 3.14. But very good question. So guys, whenever a number is raised to the power, it means that the second power, it means the number should multiply by itself that number of times. If this was 3, it means that we should multiply 4 by itself 3 times. For example, if we have 4 raised to the third power, it would be 4 times 4 times 4. It's just the number multiply by itself. So 4, 4, 16, and then 4 times that, 64. So it doesn't mean 4 times 3. All right?
So, sir, is 5,024 the final answer?
All right, I'm going to ask you now. Is 5,024 the final answer?
No, sir.
No, because we need to put in the decimal point. And I don't remember, I think it was Jalen was saying that it's 2 numbers come after the decimal point. The point after point you have 1 and 4, so that's 2.
So it's 50.24 centimeter square, sir. So you left out the C, sir.
Yeah, sorry. I didn't realize I put meter. Very good. Thanks so much. So that will be our final answer. We're gonna go through one more, and then the favorite part of the day where everybody gets to try.
Oh my God.
Sir, can I work it out before you do work it out, sir?
Yeah, man, work it out for yourself. You want to do number 2 you're talking? No, man, I want to use that as an example.
No, sir, I'm gonna quickly work it before you work it, sir.
Oh, yeah, man, you can go on. There's not a problem.
Sir, I'm going to ask if I should write up on the screen.
Yeah. It's an example, guys.
Sir, where's B, sir?
I wrote B, guys.
Oh.
See, I using the space where B was.
Also do C, sir?
No, man, I'm gonna go through C as well. Some people join late, so I want to just go through it, and then it will be your time. So please pay attention, guys. Some person seems a little bit distracted. Let's zoom in, guys, and do what we have to do. So everyone, please write down that. And remember, it's A we're doing, so you don't need to write down these, all right? I'm gonna go through C as well, which you're gonna call B. And then you guys will do this one for yourself, D. WhatsApp that one to me.
Sir, how do you get the answer for G?
We don't get an answer for G.
No, sir, the person is talking the radio, sir. Not the
I'll
answer.
put it in, Mark. I'll put it in, Mark. I will decide which radius, guys. But for now, I want us to focus on getting off this. And then now we can move on.
Where can we try one now?
Kenny, I'm sure you heard us say we're gonna go to C and then you try. Guys, I know some persons are faster, and those persons, I don't want us to rush, leave the ones who don't get it, all right? I don't like confusion. I want one time we say, guys, do D, everyone can do it, not half of the class or 3/4. Just be patient, guys, all right? All right. Everyone has that now? We have to think about the others, guys. We can't just think about we alone. Some persons not gonna get it the first one, all right? So that's why we go through more than one, so everybody can have an idea. If students are frustrated, that means me I gonna become frustrated, right? So it just makes sense to just wait, do the second one, and then everybody do the third one together. All right. So for those who join in, guys, you're 14 minutes late. And I never understand how evening persons are late for class and the morning persons, which with 8 o'clock they are early. I can't understand that. It's much harder in the morning because you have to wake up, brush your teeth, get breakfast, all of that. But you guys are up all day. All right, let's look at this one. So the radius is 8, right? And we want to find the area. So we know that this is how we find the area, pi r squared, right? We have to get used to that. Those who just joined, that's the formula we're using. We're using pi as 22, 3.14 first, and then we're going to use it as 22/7 when it's a multiple of 7. All right, so area is equal to pi r squared. So we put the pi r squared. So guys, I want you guys to write the formula every time until you know it. The more you write it, the more it register in your brain. So we're doing C. So we know that the radius is 8. So what we do, we put 3.14 and we times it by the 8 squared. Check that. So it would be 8. As we discussed with Jonathan a while ago, 8 squared means 8 times 8, not 8 to 16. That's a very common error that students make. They write 8 squared. Even today, someone will do it. Even though I'm talking about it now, someone's still gonna do it. It's the most common error, guys. Students will put 8 squared as 8 times 2. All right, so now we multiply 8 times 8. That's just a simple way that we come up with. Multiply the natural number first, and then we do it by the decimal. So 3.14. What's 8 times 8?
64.
Thanks,
64, sir.
Yeah, thanks, Jalen. So it's 64. Everyone should know the timetable. Remember, we talk about that. You have to be able to do all 4 operations with PEP. With
And sir,
CXC,
the timetables repeated addition.
yeah. With CXC, you don't have to know to multiply big numbers because they give you a calculator. But at your level, you have to use your brain for everything. All right. So like decimals, we must be able to multiply out this decimal now. So we're gonna multiply 3.14 times 64. What's the rule when we are multiplying decimal? Who can tell me?
Sir, so the rule is that, sir, first you have to change it to whole number, sir. And sir, after you finish multiply, sir, you put back the decimal place, sir.
Yeah. One word you're missing. I was looking for another word, but you didn't say it. It starts with T.
Yes, what, sir?
One word is missing in what you say. You say put back the decimal point. But there's a word before that. Who can tell me that word? When you put in decimal place, what word must go in before that? It's a 5-letter word. Start with T and end with L. The total, right? So you count the total because in some cases you can have 0.14 and you can have 0.18. So you total them. So it would have been 3. So it's not just put back the decimal point, it's the total number of decimal places. But very good, Jonathan. All right, so 4 times 4, that's 16. 6 carry 1. 4 ones 4 plus 1, 5. And of course, 4 times 3, 12. So you put down all of the 12. So now we're going to multiply by 60, right? So we put the 0 to hold the space. 6 fours, 24. So 2, no, 4, 6, 1, 6. But remember, we had the 2, right? So 6 plus 2, that will give us 8. And then the final one. What 6 times 3?
18, sir.
Yeah. Thanks so much. So that's 18, and then we add.
So
So
then
6 plus,
6,
yeah,
then 9,
yeah.
then 10. Put down the 0, curve
Sir, I got
1,
my answer.
and then 10 again.
Very good.
Put 1 over, you get, here, sir, you get 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right. So
20,
that's
20,000 and 96.
yeah, 20,000
So
point 0.
centimeters square.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, meter square. Wait,
No,
what?
man, it's this one we're doing, you know.
Centimeters square.
It's this one we're
Centimeters.
doing, but because of the space, it take up a lot of little
Oh,
time, because I have to show all this
sir.
steps, right?
Yes, sir, that's not the final answer, sir.
All
Because
right.
you have to put back the decimal places, sir.
Very good.
2 decimal places. So that would be 1, 2, that would be 200 and 200.96 centimeters
Oh, you
square.
left off the 0. Oh, yeah, 200.96. My bad. That's what I do. I think at 20. It's actually 200. So,
Yes, sir.
because the decimal
On a
point go right
side.
here. Yeah. So it's 200.96. Very good. As I said, centimeters square. Now, guys, we can actually do one for ourselves. But take down this first. Everyone take it down. And then everyone will try one on their own with the radius of 10. You will WhatsApp me that one. I'm going to pause the video so we don't have a lot of empty space. So you guys can go ahead and take down this and then try D on your own, and then we can take it from there. All right, so basically, let's get into it. So we are asked to find the area of a circle with the radius being 10, right? But we know that the area is pi r squared. So that's the first thing I expect everyone to put in the book so we can remember it. It's very important that we remember the formula and we can differentiate between it and the circumference, which is 2 pi r. All right. So we know what is pi. We're using pi as 3.14 first, and then later on we use 22/7. Probably next week. So we have 3.14 times the radius squared. Now, what's the radius? Anyone?
10 centimeters, 10 meters, sir.
Yeah. So it's 10 squared. But what does 10 squared even mean?
Sir, 10 square means they're going to multiply the number one time with like 2
By
times,
itself.
sir.
You multiply a number by itself, right? So
Yes,
it's gonna be 10 times 10.
which
Just
gives you
like what that
100,
verse is.
sir.
Yeah.
And
Just like what
sir,
that.
after you finish work it out, sir, you'll get 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it 30? Yeah, 31,400, sir.
That's the final answer.
No, sir.
All right. I'm gonna show you a little trick with this one. It's when you multiply a decimal by like 10, 100, 1,000, we can actually move the decimal point based on the number of zeros. So 10 times 10, that will give us 100, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
let us see. Oh, we can actually multiply it. We don't need a lot of space like with the previous one. So 10 times 10 will give us 100, right? So now we're going to be multiplying 3.14 by 100. But you see the decimal point, we can move this. Once it's 10, 100,000 or so, right? Once it's have the zeros then, we can actually move the decimal point based on the number of zeros. But this time, When you multiply, we go to the right. So it will be 3.14. So you move it based on the number of zeros. 1, 2. So it will be 314. So you didn't have to multiply. I noticed everyone multiplied it out. Nothing is wrong with that either, because it gave you the practice, right? So it's 314 meters square. Some persons gave me this, and that's perfectly correct as well. 314.00. This is legit
Wow.
as well. Because
Yes,
you
sir.
have,
That's what I did, sir.
yeah, I realize. This is also the same thing, right? Because notice where the decimal point is. That means 314. Just like if our money we are right out, $314 can be written like this. So that was correct as well. All right. So make a note of this. Quite a few persons got it though. A few persons put the decimal point in the wrong place. Like for example, guys, think about it. If you're gonna multiply 3.14 times 100, there's no way you're gonna end up back with 3.14. It's like you're multiplying by 1. You see that? So those persons end up getting that worried. Hold on, let me just see screenshot come up on my laptop. You can actually screenshot this.
Yes, sir.
What? Awesome laptop me have. I did not know that I have that feature there.
Sir,
What?
sir, I didn't knew that, sir, from a very long time, sir.
Yeah, you guys are advanced and exposed, you know. So let me try. Oh, it gone. Let me click something. Yeah, but I can screenshot it with my laptop. You know, I was in CXC class and someone was saying that I should screenshot it, and I said I can't bother to do that. But it's actually in the right click. So I will start with that often. You see that, guys? We live and we learn. We live and we learn. We live and we learn.
That's how life goes, sir.
Yeah. Once you're living, you should be learning. As I was saying to the other class as well, I don't want us to just come to class and say, well, I want to get 40 out of 40 in the exam. I want us to just have an attitude to say, I'm getting older and I'm learning more. You will find yourself learning more things under less pressure. Don't think about the exam. Just say, I'm learning how to find the area of a circle. I'm learning how to find the area of this, that. You understand? That attitude takes the pressure off you and not, oh, I need to get 100%. Because a lot of students, when they get like 39 out of 40, which is an awesome grade, super awesome grade, they are crying and refusing to eat. 39 is an awesome grade. Anything over 30, guys, you did well. Even if you get over 25, you still did well. All right? As long as it's your best, don't be crying and refusing to eat. All right? Because you need food. All right. So, guys, next one, 1.5. Let me see how you guys will handle this one. So, the radius is 1.5. Everybody add this over here, right? Yeah, because you guys did it for yourself. So let's see if we can complete this one with the radius being 1.5 meter. And it's very interesting to see where you guys will put the decimal point and the total number of decimal point you will go with. Let us see this to see too. All right, so we are asked to find the area with the radius being 1.5. There's a big difference, guys. Do not use 15 if they give you 1.5. The clearly say 1.5. The decimal point makes it 1.5. We know the formula already. Every time, sir, I do it, sir, write about the formula. Because guess what? Sir, don't want to forget the formula. So for those persons who are saying why I'm writing it every time, I don't want to forget it. That's how the brain works. The more you do it, the more the brain remember it. So do not freestyle it and just fling down number,
Sir,
right?
I
Area.
apologize for being late. I was on the road.
All right. We're looking at area. Welcome. Sorry about that. Almost 1 hour late, man. You miss a lot of examples. Good thing I'm recording it though. All right, so the area is pi r square. What we using pi today? Let me see if everybody following.
3.14.
Yeah, very good. So further on in the lesson, not today though, we will use 22/7 when it's multiple. All right, r squared. What does that even mean though?
Radius, so you're going to multiply, going to all the power of 10, sir. You're going to do it to
Which
the
one?
radius. 10
Tell me what to write,
10,
because I'm a bit confused when I say power. Power of 10.
It would be 1.5 meter times 1.5 meter going to multiply by itself, sir.
Yeah. So it will be 1.5 times 1.5. It's not really the power of 10, you know. I don't want us to say it like that. So it's raised to the second power. That's another way you can say it. 1.5 raised to the second power. Or they call it exponent. We say power, but the correct term we normally use is exponent. All right, very good though. So if you notice, this one is different, right? Because we have 3 decimals, but we are professionals, mathematicians, right? So we can just multiply 15 by 15, because we can ignore the decimal point. That's all. All right. So 15 times 15, 5, 25. 5 ones 5 plus 2, 7. Put the 0 because you know multiplying by 10. 1, 5, 5, 1, 1, 1. Guys, these are performance class topic, you know. Especially grade 5, you will be tested on this only. So we cannot afford to make any mistake at all. Alright? Grade 5 is a critical here for you to get to school of your choice. So it's 225, right? But how many decimal places we had originally?
4.
No, I'm just talking for this part.
1, sir.
One?
No, 2, sir, 2. Sorry.
1 plus 1, yeah, because we have 0.5. Remember, the number of decimal places is determined by how many number come after the decimal point. So we have 5 came after the decimal point and this 5. And we know say 1 and 1 are 2, right? So what we're gonna do now, we are gonna bear that in mind. Say, all right, these are 2 decimal places. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna multiply the 225 by the 314. By the 314, right? So you see it? You get really, guys, we're multiplying by a 3-digit number instead of 2, right? So 4, 5, 20. Look at this carefully now, guys. I'm glad to say this a record. 4 2s 8 and 1 10. 0 carry the 1. 4 2s 8. I forgot end the call there. I'm auntie I call me now. Hold on, the guys. I years me not hear from her, so I feel wrong. Hello? What go on? Me know, man. Me know. Me think was murder, you know. Come, see like, oh, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Mommy tell me. Me tell her, say, you link me already, and me I give them. But early next month, you know. Like next week. All right. Yeah, man. So may I get the measurement them, and then me link you. Early next month. You measure it. All right. So good. So look, I'm coming to go up there, you know. Just look, and if you see it just upon everything, and then just measure them and tell me, and we will sort it out. Yeah. All right, cuz. Me go save back your number. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me go save back your number. Can me lose your number too? All right, cuz. Yeah. All right. Yeah, man. All right. Sorry, guys, but a family matter. Me have to answer. Me have to answer that one. Damn. A long time I not hear from me, cuz. All right. So 4, 5, 20. 4 twos 8 and 1 10, right? You notice I don't go over it back, guys, because I don't just want to start from anywhere and make a mistake. So we are at 4 twos 8 plus 1 9. All right, so I'm put my 9 here. So I finish now. I'm going to put 1 0 because we're multiplying by 10 now. So 1 5 5 1 2 2 and 1 2 again 2. This is the most important part of it, multiplying by the 3-digit number. We're going to multiply by 300. So guess what? Can we just put one decimal, one space holder? How many space holder we must have now? Since we are going to be multiplying by 300.
2.
2. Thank you, Toriji. 2 of them. Very good. So that's the key part for this. Should be 2 of them. I'm going to do some videos on that, because a lot of kids can't multiply by a 3-digit number. I'm gonna do some video for them. If you help who we can, guys. Alright, so now we're gonna multiply by the 3. So 3, 5, 15. Oh Lord. And you guys must help who you can too. If you go to school and somebody can multiply, you help them, guys. Nothing is wrong with that. Alright. So 3, 5, 15. So 5 carry the 1. 3, 2, 6 plus 1, 7, right? And then 3, 2, 6. So now we need to add, and guess what? Sorry, now I have no space to add, man. If I juggle it up, let me try to juggle it up. So 0 and that 0. 0 plus 5 plus 5 is 5. Remember, I said 0 plus anything is the anything, right? 9 and 2, 11. 11 plus 5, that's 16. So 6 carry the 1. And of course, 7 and 2, 9 and 1, 10. So 0 carry the 1. All right, this is where some persons got this number, but guess what, Jonathan? They went off a little bit. Let me show you why. As Jonathan said, the total number of decimal places should be how many? The total.
Right, for like, so it should be
overall.
4,
Remember,
sir.
4, very good. Remember, 3.14 has 2 of them, right? So 2 plus the 1 plus the 1, 4. So I'm going to write the number and then we'll put in 4 decimal places based on that. Sorry for this space, guys. I actually downloaded this worksheet. I see if I didn't need it from scratch, I would leave the space. But you know it already. So 4 decimal places starting from the right, going to the left. So you count 4. And add 1, 2, 3, 4. So those persons who put it at 70. Come on, guys. You're just multiplying 3 times 1 times 1. So can't get 70. We're supposed to have a number sense, so we say, no man. Oh, we multiply them number here. 3. 3.14 is just 3 and little, 1.5 is just 1.5. So it's not no big number them here. So if you get 70, you must look in yourself and say, no man, this don't make sense. If you just multiply 3 times 1 times 1 and it give me 70. We have to look at that too. Alright? So it's actually 7.0650. And then you put in your meter square. So this is what the final answer would look like. 7.0650. And then you put on your meter square. Alright, that's it. So make any adjustment necessary. And somebody asks what number is gonna go here. We're gonna put 5. At the start of class, someone says, sir, how are we going to find G? Yeah, see there? I put in the 5 centimeters. So now you can find it. All right, but make any adjustment necessary. And please, guys, forgive me here. I didn't have the space. But I'm sure you guys have the space in your book, right? So make sure you have digit under digit, ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundred, tenth under tenth, hundred under hundred, and thousand
Sir, my
under
Wi-Fi,
thousand.
my Wi-Fi disconnected.
Yeah, Rasheen, I realize you have a lot of problem today. There are gonna be days like that, right? But it's being recorded, so you will get the recording. It's the beauty of technology, guys. We can use it to our advantage. I'm gonna pause the video so we don't have no blank space. Go ahead.
So, sir, we have a circle, right, sir? And we're supposed to find the area. So, in order to find the area, sir, we need to know the radius. And as you can see, the radius is 5 centimeters. And then the formula for finding perimeter of a circle is 3.14 times.
I think it's a perimeter. Yeah, right?
Times r squared, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. What's the radius?
Times r squared, sir. And sir, r means radius, sir. So, sir, the first thing you're going to do, sir, 3.14 times.
Well, 3.14.
3.14 times 5.
Thank you. Yeah.
5 centimeters squared. So, sir, the square basically means that the square and sir, square is like a 2, sir. So, sir, the square basically means that you're gonna multiply the number by itself 2 times. So 5 times 5, sir, is 25, sir. So you're gonna put 25 below the 5, sir.
Yeah. Thanks so much.
And then, sir, after you do that, sir, you're gonna multiply the 3.14 times 25.
Thank you for saying 3.14 and not 3.14.
So, sir, when you multiply 3.14 by 25, sir, you're gonna get 7,800.
But Jeremiah, we know work someone. You know you're going to walk me through it step by step. Others are struggling with it, so you're going to help them.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, that's what I literally asked and you said it's wrong, sir.
For what?
When you check mine, sir.
I don't know about that, you know. I could wait until him finish. At the final answer we are talking about, right? So I could look at it. Continue, Jeremiah, and then we can compare, Jonathan. How that sound?
Okay, sir. So the rule for multiplying decimal, sir, is you're gonna ignore the decimal point, sir. And then after you finish multiplying, you're gonna find the total amount of decimal points, and you're gonna move from right to left, and that's where you find the answer, sir. So, sir, 5 times 4, sir, is 20. You're gonna put on the 0, sir, and carry over the 2 above the 1.
Yeah.
5 times 1 is 5, plus the 2 is 7, sir. So you're gonna put the 7 below the line, sir. Then, sir, 5 times 3, sir, is 15. So you're gonna put 15, sir. Then, sir, you're gonna cross out the 5 and put 0, sir, below the 0. Yes, sir, right there. You're gonna say, sir, 4 times 2, sir, is 8. And then, sir, 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6, sir. Then, sir, you're gonna add it, sir. 0 plus 0 is 0, because 0 is nothing, sir. Then, sir, 7 plus 8, sir, is 15. We're gonna put the 5, carry over the 1. you're gonna put the one above the other 5. Then 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 1 is 8. Then, sir, 6 plus 1 is 7, sir. So, sir, your answer is 7,850, sir, but you're not finished, sir.
Yeah.
Because the rule says you have to find the total number of decimal points, sir. So, sir, in order to find total number of decimal points, sir, you can find out how many numbers are behind the decimal point in 3.14.
Yeah.
Sir, 2, sir, because 1 and 4 is behind the decimal point, sir.
Very good.
Then, so, sir, you're gonna move 2 spaces, and those 2 spaces that you move, you're gonna put on decimal point right there, sir. Not from left to right, sir, from right to left, sir. So you're gonna start from 0, then you're gonna put it in between the 5 and the 0, then you're gonna put it between the 8 and 5. Then, sir, your answer will be 78.50, sir. 78.50 centimeters square, sir.
Sir, that's what I literally asked, sir, and you say it was wrong.
Let me tell you what happened, Jonathan. You write 7 like 4, so I literally see 48.5. But when you say I went back on it and I realized that you add the 6 and the 1, but I saw you write the 7. So I thought it was 4. So my apologies.
It's okay.
You actually had the 78, but look how you write the 4. That look how you write the 7. That look like a 4.
I'll increase it, sir.
Yeah. Sorry about that. I should have looked and see the 6 and the 1, because you had the 6 and the 1. But guys, you see what I talk about? When you form your letters properly so they can see it. Very good, Jeremiah. Very good. Well explained. I don't need to add anything to that, guys. All right? Good job. All right, so we're not going to do the 8.41, right? Anybody need to make any adjustment? You can make it. We're going to go further. Let me see, we have what? 40 minutes. So I think we can do 4 or 3. Depends, because you know I'm not going to rush the class. So we see how many more we can do, guys. The more we do, the better. So we can start, comparing. So for these last 3, I want you guys to see how many you can get correct the first time. And then we practice to be more consistent. All we need is consistency, guys, in anything at all. Once you're consistent, you're going to be successful. Can we proceed? Let me pause the video so until we go down to the next page. All right?
All right, sir. So, sir, the first things first, so what I did, sir, is to find the formula for the circumference, sir. So, which is pi
Look at this,
or
area we're doing, area, right?
Yes, sir, or the formula would be pi r square, sir. And, sir, it would equal to 3.14 times 144, sir. The reason why, sir, because, sir, the circumference, the pi, sir, would equal to 3.14, sir. And the radius, sir, you're going to multiply it by itself, sir, which would give you 144, sir. And then, sir, we're going to multiply 3.14 times 144, sir. So, sir, our final answer, sir, was 452.16, sir. And the reason because, sir, what I did, sir, I removed the decimal place, sir, which gave me the whole number. I moved 2 decimal places, sir, to the right, would give you the whole number, sir. And then, sir, I said 4, so I put down 314 times 144, sir.
Yeah.
And, sir, what I did, sir, I said 4 4s is 16. For the ones column, sir, you're gonna put 6 and carry over the 1. And then you're gonna say 414 plus 1 would give you 5. So you would put down 5 at the tens column, sir. And then so you're gonna say 4 threes is 12. So you're going to put the 2 at the 100th place and put the 1 at the 1,000, sir. And sir, and then you're going to put your placeholder, sir, which is 0. And then you're going to say, sir, 4, 16, put it under the 5, carry over to the 2. Yeah, carry it over the 2. And you'll say 4 ones is 4. They say 4 1 4, and then you're gonna say 4 3s is 12. And then, sir,
Hold
you're
on,
going
let me stop out there. 4 4 16, 6 carry the 1. What's next?
where's 4 4 4 4 16 carry the 1. Then I said 4 ones is 4, sir. Not that 1, sir. No. Then I said 4 1 is 4.
Oh, so let's put down 4.
Yes, sir. And then I said 4 3s is 12.
What should I write?
So you're going to put down the 2 at the thousands place and put the 1 at the 10,000s place, sir. And then, sir, we're going to put 2 decimal places, sir. Since you're doing a 3-digit, since you're multiplying a 3-digit number, sir, you're going to put down 2 zeros, sir. And then you say 1 4.
Right?
Yes, sir. And then you say 1 4 is 4. You're gonna put it down. And then you're gonna say 1 1 would be 1. And then you're gonna say 1 3 is 3. And then, sir, what we're gonna do, sir, we're going to add, sir. So, sir, for the ones place, sir, you're gonna say 6 plus 0 would give you 6, sir. You're gonna put down 6. And then you say, sir, 5 plus 6 plus 0 would give you 11. So you put down 1. So you're gonna put down 1 and carry over the other 1, sir. And then, sir, you would say, yeah, and then you're gonna say, sir, and then, sir, you're going to say, 2 plus 2 would give you 4, plus 4 would give you 8, plus 4 would give you 12. So you're gonna put down 2 and carry over the 1, sir. And then, sir, you're gonna say 1 plus 1 give you 2, plus 2 give you 4, plus 1 give you 5. So you're gonna put down the 5, sir. And then you're going to say, sir, 1 plus 3 would give you 4, sir. And so you get 452. So you get 45216. But sir, that is not the actual answer, sir. Because if you do that, sir, you're forgetting to move you're forgetting to put back the decimal places, sir. So you mix. So sir, since because of the 3.14, sir, you're gonna put back the decimal places. It would be 2 decimal places, sir. So you're gonna say 1 2. And your final answer, sir, would be 452.16 centimeters square.
All right. Go ahead, Katia. Thanks so much. So we're just going to take one after the other. So each person have 5 minutes. Go ahead, Katia.
Okay, sir. How to find the area of a circle is by finding the formula. So you're going to say A equals tear square.
Why you guys call it the word? I said pi, P-I-E, pi. Some people call it double T, some people say pi. All right, cool. No problem.
Okay, and then you're going to put a next A and say 3.414, which is pi. So you're
Yeah.
going to times it by the radius, which is 9, because it's going to be 9
Oh, you're
squared.
doing this one. All right. So
Sorry,
you you and me have to go swap. You can go ahead, man. Me, I can do the next one if for that one you want to do.
Okay, so you're going to say 9 times 9, which is 81. So 3.14 times 81.
3.14. What kind of language that? Say the correct thing.
3.14.
Thank you. Remember, maths is a language by itself, you know, guys. So she doing the one with 9. So me and you do the one with 6, right? I mixed them up. She had asked for that one, but it don't matter. All right, you can continue.
Okay, so you're not going to put the decimal point when you're timesing. You're going to forget about it. So you're going to say 314, write it down, times 81. 1 4 is 4. 1 1 1. 1 3 is 3. You're going to put 0 as placeholder. 8 4 is 32. Carry the 3. Put down the 2. 8 1 8 plus 3. 11. Carry the 1. Put down the 1. 8 3 24 plus 1 25. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 0 4. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. And then put down the 25.
Okay.
Okay, so 81 is a whole number, so you're going to look at 3.14, and there are two numbers behind the decimal, so you're going to move the decimal point behind the 4,
Okay.
and you're
Very,
going to put meter square.
very good. Excellent. Jonathan, that was excellent as well. Good job. I'm so proud of you guys. All right. So Mia, take us out. Oh Lord, no space is there. All right. Since as we know the process, just walk us through it, Mia. Have hardly have any space.
So, sir, A equal pi r squared. So I said the 3.14 times 6 times 6.
Mm-hmm. Remember, Ketty that one.
So, sir, then I said 6 times 6 is 36. Then I said the 3.14 times 36.
Yeah, very good.
So, sir, 6 4 is 24. Put down
Wait,
your 4,
let me
carry
find
your
the space. Let me find the space. I really want to do it. Like what you explain. I care about Ketty the answer. And so we can have that. You get it worse because that was there. Just tell me the final answer. Like how we know it, everybody can do it.
Sir, the final answer is 113.04 meter square, sir. But when it's to the first decimal, sir, it's 113 meter square.
Yeah.
Oh, and
Alright.
sir, when Jonathan was explaining it, sir, when he came to the bottom part, sir, and he put down his zero, sir, he said 4 4 16, put down your 6, carry a 1, and then he said 4 1 4 and put down the 4, sir. He didn't add the 1 to be 5.
Yeah, I know. I saw him do that all the time, but he actually added to the next one. I see him do it enough time, and he feel like it wrong, but it's actually right. He's not the first I
No,
see
sir,
Jonathan do
I'm
it
not.
like that.
Oh, okay, sir.
Mm-hmm. You got the same answer, right? That he got. The 452.16.
Yes, sir, the answer is correct, but I was saying the working note is incorrect.
Yeah, because he carried the one over the next side. I see him do it already when he multiplying. It's not the first I saw him do it like that. But he always get the correct answer. Because the last time when I was writing on the board and he was saying put the one, and I was saying what? And he said, yes, sir, let's put it there. And then eventually he came back to the correct answer. So, yeah, it's always correct when you do it. So guys, thank you for being awesome at class again. I think I'll just post this because I think a lot of people struggling with this. As the CXC students struggle with this, so I'm gonna post this one on YouTube. So you guys can check it out in your spare time as well. Alright? And guys, tomorrow, very important. Somebody mentioned it today in the morning class and they asked me the question. They said, sir, since the mental is finished, will we be doing the performance task tomorrow in the Sunday class? The answer is yes. We're done with the mental now, guys. We're done with it until next year. All right, so we're gonna focus on the performance task and the curriculum base. This topic fall under performance task as well, but we're gonna be doing the worksheets just like what we did. All right, so make people get familiar with the grid. So please have your ruler, sharp, bright pencil, right? Right, Ajani pencil never bright yet. So get a bright pencil, Ajani, because we're gonna be using the grid. All right. I don't know if we're gonna start the grid tomorrow. Yeah, I kind of want you guys get a feel of it. The performance task. You have to generate your own answers, guys. Your own answers. So that 20 marks will be there for us to take. But I'll post this later and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right.
Sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Okay.
Take care, guys. See you guys tomorrow. All right.
All
You
right.
guys are
Bye,
awesome.
bye,
Bye.
sir.
Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Deandra. Bye, McCoy.
Bye, Jonathan.
All right. Only Jonathan, you not tell sir bye. Shame. Big
Bye,
up,
sir.
McCoy. Bye. Take care. Alright, so let me post this on YouTube because I want it to be there.